Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the EasyPress 2 to customize your projects. Today I'll be pressing this pot holder with a pocket that I got from the Dollar Tree. I'll start by measuring my surface area to decide how big I want to cut my design. Then using your Cricut or Silhouette, just cut your design, and then we're going to weed away the excess vinyl. I like to use my Cricut light pad to weed even when I don't use the light, because having the hard surface makes it easier to weed. Then I'll just use my weeding tool to get rid of all the extra vinyl. And now I'm ready to press onto my project. First I'm going to place my design over my project just to decide my placement. Then I'm going to use my EasyPress mat to give the vinyl something to press into. This helps the vinyl create a permanent hold. I love to use a 6x7 EasyPress because it makes small projects like this easier. I'm going to press my vinyl for 30 seconds at 320 degrees. You don't have to have a ton of pressure on your EasyPress, just press firmly and your project is finished. So thanks for watching. Let me know what you think about the EasyPress 2 in the comments below. Like the video if it was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and until next time, thanks guys.